Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the phone off and removing SIM and memory cards so nothing shorts. Next, strap on ESD protection. You don't skip that. Once done, remove visible screws and pry the rear with a plastic spudger. Work the clips gently to avoid cracking housings. As you open, catalog screw sizes and take photos of cable routes to speed reassembly. Make sure to set small parts in labeled containers, so the next steps focus only on the audio jack assembly. You should disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. That's non-negotiable. Once isolated, identify whether the jack is soldered to the main board or mounted on a removable daughter board. This dictates your approach. Then clean the area with isopropyl 90% and a soft brush to reveal damage, and use magnification to check for bent pins or cracked solder joints. If solder is cracked, prepare a temperature-controlled soldering iron and flux. You'll reflow or replace the jack, depending on the damage. You begin final repair by reflowing with a fine tip and steady hand. If the jack is beyond repair, desolder it and install the replacement, matching pads and orientation precisely. Once soldered and inspected, reattach any daughterboard connectors, reconnect the battery, and reassemble the housing following your photos. Power on and test with headphones across calls and media. If it still fails, check continuity with a multimeter. Confirm the new jack's wiring orientation and verify audio settings. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.